All right. Now, just so everyone knows, I will be opening up the lines again later for questions and comments, so be ready for that. And tonight's call, it's going to run about 15 minutes or so, not counting any time for comments or questions. So, please just sit back, relax, put your phone on speaker, and enjoy the show. Hello, everyone. My name is Neil Guess, the CEO of the Power Lead System, and I want to thank everyone for being here. Tonight is going to be so much fun because we have some major things happening, and you're going to hear all about it tonight. For example, we just released our brand new flagship product called Home Business Pro. You're also going to hear about, as some would argue, the world's most powerful compensation plan, Perpetual Leverage. And finally, I'm going to be offering an incredible bonus later on that you're definitely going to want to take advantage of. And just so you know, in addition to these live calls, we also offer fast start training throughout the week. And these are fantastic. They're going to teach you how to market your link. So I highly recommend that you attend. So be on the lookout. We're going to send an email ahead of time so you can register for it. Now, in our 10 years in business, we have never released anything like what's coming. Okay? This is very exciting. Our entire product line, except for gold, is about to be rolled over into one of the most powerful compensation plans ever created, Perpetual Leverage. So let's talk about product number one. This is our diamond level package called Free Ad Secrets. It sells for $147, and this is an evergreen product that teaches you how to put together large advertising campaigns, which gives you way more buying power. And since you're the one putting it together, your share is paid for by the participants. Now, our members love this product. And by the way, Free Ad Secrets comes with a split pay option, which means you can get your hands on it for less than $100. So within the next 30 days or less, this very product is going to go from a stagnant 2-level payout to a dynamic, unlimited depth compensation plan. When we launched the Free Ad Secrets package through Perpetual Leverage, every time a package is sold, there's going to be 2 people that earn a $50 commission each. And these $50 commissions will be paid through every leg, every level through unlimited depth. And the fact that you're going to be able to get started for less than $100 in a compensation plan like this, it's a game changer. When the word gets out about this, people are going to come running. I can't stress to you enough how incredible it is to be rolling out a product in Perpetual Leverage where you can get started for less than $100. It's never been done before. Okay, product number 2. Our platinum level, it's our brand new flagship product called Home Business Pro. The main attraction of this product, Email Marketing Academy, is worth more than the cost of admission. The author is Greg Davison, a $7 million plus earner in this industry who offers world-class coaching. His copywriting skills are off the chart as he's learned from some of the best mentors in the world. Greg calls this course the Forgotten Blueprint, the fastest get-rich plan in affiliate marketing history. Now check this out. Home Business Pro has just been released through Perpetual Leverage. It's live right now, which means every time a Home Business Pro package is sold, there's 2 people that make a $200 commission each. And these $200 commissions are paid out through every leg, every level through unlimited depth. And in a few moments, I'm going to give you a link to watch Perpetual Leverage in action. Wait till you see this. Okay, product number 3 is our Emerald package called Lead Generation Academy, which offers some of the best live coaching and training available anywhere. These are live and interactive, and our members love them. We also archive these trainings every single month. Now, this product is currently being offered through a reverse 2-up in which you roll up sales 2 and 4. The product is $105 per month and currently pays out $90 residual commissions. But once we roll this product through Perpetual Leverage, that's all going to change in a powerful way. Once this product goes live through Perpetual Leverage, every time a package is sold, there will be 2 people who will make a $45 residual commission each. And these $45 residual commissions will be paid out through every leg, every level through unlimited depth. Now, a residual product has never been released through Perpetual Leverage, so this is a first and extremely exciting. And by the way, Lead Generation Academy will be released through Perpetual Leverage within 2 weeks of the integration of Free Ad Secrets. Our last product, product number 4, is called Master Traffic Institute, MTI for short. It currently pays out $1,000 commissions and $200 overrides. The price for MTI is $14.97. And MTI, it consists of a ton of valuable training brought to you by an entire team of our most successful members. Now, MTI is going to be rolled over into Perpetual Leverage shortly after Lead Generation Academy. And when this happens, whenever an MTI package is sold, there's going to be two people who make a $500 commission each. And yes, these $500 commissions will be paid out through every leg, every level, through unlimited depth. Now just think about this. Perpetual leverage has never been offered where you have 4 separate unique downlines all growing under one roof. There's never been a residual product offered through perpetual leverage. And here's the best part. A person will be able to get started fully qualified for less than $100. And as they start earning unlimited $50 commissions, it won't take many of those before they're able to step up to the next product. And before long, they'll have worked their way all the way up until they own the Master Traffic Institute product. There's nothing like this anywhere. And this is all happening within the next 30 to 45 days. Now, I'm dedicating my time every evening hosting these daily live calls for you. I want you to experience the power of perpetual leverage. And here's the best part. With perpetual leverage, all you need is 2 people. That's it. Now, you can go as wide as you want. It's unlimited width. But we're going to show you the power of 2. And I've got a link for you to show that to you that I'm going to give out near the end of the call. But assuming we're talking about the Home Business Pro package, okay, in your entire organization, if not one person ever enrolled more than 2 people, you would be making up to $800 on every level to unlimited depth, 2 people, okay? And again, I've got that short video. It's going to show you how this happens, and I'll provide that URL in just a few moments. And right now, we're working on a professional perpetual leverage compensation plan video. This is going to be awesome. It's going to show you exactly how it works. It's going to look like $1 million, and when folks get done watching it, they're not going to be able to sleep. Okay, now I've got one massive bonus I'm going to be introducing in just a few moments. But first, I'm going to open up the lines really quick right now, and I'll do it once more right near the end of the call, but I'm going to open up now for any comments or questions. Here we go. Okay, now's the chance. Comments or questions, *6. If you want to be heard, you have to hit *6.
Do you get any commissions on your first sale?
Perpetual leverage, nobody rolls up. They go right there on your front line. You don't make any commission on that person, but you're going to make from their efforts on every level to unlimited depth. So unlike a 1-up or a 2-up or anything like that, where you lose the person, you lose their activity, you never lose anybody's efforts. Everyone you enroll is right there on your front line. Yeah, great question. All right, anybody else before we move on? *6.
I have a question. How can you go down to infinite depth? Because if you do that, then you're going to be paying a lot of people out.
Well, that's what the video is for. That's a great question, but it's going to be way better answered visually, and you can watch it happen. In a nutshell, how that happens is if you're not qualified through X amount of levels, and somebody above you is, that commission is going to roll past every single person until it reaches someone who's qualified. And I know that's not going to make much sense right now, and that's why the video is so crucial to our marketing. It's because, people like you and everybody else are going to be able to sit down and watch it, and it's going to make sense. And they'll get it. And even if you don't understand it, you're going to watch it grow right before your very eyes, and you're going to know which ones you're getting paid on. So even if you don't quite understand it the first few times, it's okay. The software is perfect, and it's not going to make any mistakes. All right. Any other questions or comment before we move on?
Neil.
Just a quick question. So with the system, is there an ongoing cost every month, or is this just a one-time cost, or how does that work?
Okay, that's a great question. The one product that we're not putting through perpetual leverage is our gold membership. Now, what our gold membership gives you is unrestricted access to every tool that we offer. You can create entire sales funnels and then share those funnels with your team. You can create lead capture pages, sales pages. You can create basically anything you can dream up, okay? Unlimited subdomains. And the cost of that, if you want to be an affiliate and earn an income, is $53.97 a month. But here's the great news. Everyone you refer to the gold membership is a $20 monthly residual income, which means all you have to do is refer 3, and not only is your gold membership free, you're actually earning a residual income at that point. Now, there's one more facet to the gold membership, and that is you make a 50% match on all of your gold members' referrals. And what that means is, let's say you sponsor Joe, and he's making $600 a month from his gold level sales. You would be making a $300 matching bonus, Okay, so it's definitely, and that's one of the great news and things about this is you're actually building a residual income as you're, bringing people on and they're getting started. All right,
This makes so much sense.
All right, I'm going to open up the lines one more time. So I'm going to mute us out now, and we're going to come right back with more questions and comments. But let's continue on. Hold on. Okay, who's ready for the bonus? If you're just getting started with the Power Lead system, and I'm talking 2 weeks or less, after you hang up, if you log in and you click the red Home Business Pro purchase button tonight, you're going to receive the free Ad Secrets package absolutely free. That's a $147 value. And seeing that we're about to roll this product into perpetual leverage within the next 30 days, not owning it would be a huge mistake. Okay? This nice fat bonus that I give out every night, this is going away. When free Ad Secrets gets rolled into perpetual leverage, we're not going to give it away anymore. So, it's kind of now or never. All right. Now, here's some marketing help for you, okay? After you do that, log in and click the green easy button and look for funnel number 4, the Home Business Pro funnel. Now, this is a, work in action. We're going to be adding the pay plan video to this, more testimonials. So this is just going to convert better and better as we, move forward with our projects. But this funnel, it's 100% complete and ready to go. All you have to do is grab your link and start sharing it. And be sure to attend our weekly Fast Start training calls because they're going to teach you how to advertise your link. Also, in your back office, we provide a list of quality vendors who will advertise your link for you. Just go to the training area and click on the marketing tab. Listen, just get your link out there. We're going to teach you how to advertise your funnel. So ask yourself this. How would your life change if you started making $200 to $600 daily? And what if you could accomplish all of this with only 2 people? Well, there's only one sure way you won't do it is if you quit. If you quit, you're never going to experience the magic or the power of perpetual leverage. We've done everything we can to support you and ensure your success, and you're definitely not on your own. We have a strong support group on Facebook. We have fantastic Fast Start training calls throughout the week, and I'll be here every night for you and your guests. So here's a recap as we wrap up tonight's call. Step 1, log in, purchase Home Business Pro, and secure your $147 bonus. Step 2, click the green easy button and grab your link from funnel number 4 and start sharing it everywhere. Sound like a plan? All right. As promised, I'm going to open up the lines one last time for any last questions or comments. Here we go. Anybody else? Star 6.
I know your first sale is your qualifying sale, but when your qualifying sale has clients, do you get anything from the downline on your first sale, or is your first sale is just passed up and then you focus on the second one?
No, there's no pass-ups in perpetual leverage. The fact that you're not paid is kind of irrelevant because, it's very possible that the first person you put in, you could be making a $200 commission on every sale they ever make. And how do I say this? That qualifier that you first put in, this is a fact. As long as his organization grows, you will earn from that person's efforts, even though they're a qualifier, on every level to unlimited depth. So you never lose anybody. Nobody ever rolls up.
Wow, that's huge. Thank you.
Yep. All right. Any last comments or questions?
Neil.
Yes.
Frank Calabro Jr., man. How are you?
I'm doing awesome, man. Thanks for being here tonight. Wow, what a privilege. What an honor.
I want to make a comment about the compensation plan, just so everyone that's listening is crystal clear in your mind. All you have to do is build your level 1. That's it. That's all you need to do. Your first sale is the qualifier, okay? Let's just say you bring in 100 people. That first sale is a qualifier. You got 99 wide going across. The next person, you got 99 people underneath you. That next person, you're going to have nothing to do with this, is going to make a sale on your level 2. That qualifies you on level 2. That opens up your entire level 2. Guess who builds your level 3? Your level 2 sales that you had nothing to do with. This thing grows indefinitely in depth. You just build your level 1, your front line. This is the most powerful comp plan I've ever even heard of ever in my marketing career. When Neil was so excited to get a hold of me and tell me about this, took him a couple weeks to even get me to stop and look at it. I was like blown away. I'm retired, guys. I'm coming back out of retirement just to help other people tap into the potential of this model. Your downline is built for you by the people you bring in from level 1. I'm going to make my own video too. I know Neil's going to have a killer video that's going to explain this. I'm going to make my own video too on top of that. I'll share it with everybody because I know I can explain this thing visually. And once you wrap your mind around this, you will not be able to sleep. For real. So I'm excited, man. I just want to tell everyone, follow Neil's exact instructions. Get your stuff turned on immediately. before it's programmed, because positioning is everything in this model. Your position in Power Lead System is going to be very valuable. There's people that have dormant accounts from 2013 up until today. They might want to light those accounts back up, especially if they got product paid for in that back office, because that's going to become valuable real estate when they turn everything back on. So, Neil, I'm excited. Keep doing what you're doing, man. We're going to get the word out, and people are going to be flying into Power Lead System. We already got the best marketing system and sales duplicator system anywhere. Now we got the best comp plan to go with it. So this is awesome. I'm excited. Man, just invite everybody you can to this call daily.
Thanks, Frank. I really appreciate it. I'm glad I had some responsibility in dragging you out of retirement. That's good. All right. That sounds awesome. Okay. Any last comments or questions before we wrap this up? Once, twice. Okay. All right. Who's ready for this pay plan URL? Okay. This is going to reveal the power of 2. And I got to warn everybody. Okay. It's ugly. I created this thing on my desktop, drawing little circles with my mouse, and it was either that or everybody has to wait until the professional video rolls out, and I thought it's going to be better to give people an ugly version at least so they can start to grasp perpetual leverage. And again, I told you earlier, you can go as wide as you want, but I thought it would be fun to show you what perpetual leverage would look like if everyone only enrolled 1 or 2 people, max. And that's what I did on this video. So what you're going to watch is a downline growing down through 5 levels where everybody's only bringing in 2 people. And if you have a pen, write this down, unlimitedpay.net. One more time, unlimitedpay.net. All right. Well, that's it for tonight. I want to thank everyone for being here. And remember, I'm going to be here again tomorrow night. So be sure and have some guests on that call. Make it your mission, okay? I'm going to be looking forward to meeting your guests. Good night, everyone.